Lil Grizz, you look busy.
I am. Uh-oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. That was a good try, dude.
Now, I noticed in the last live that we did, I noticed that on live,
Oh, okay.
yeah. that your shims are labeled by hat size. Is that just because you've got enough different sizes that you work with, or is that just where you used to do the size, or what?
What do what now?
Your shims are labeled.
Okay, this right here is 22 7/8. And so I step them up. This really, by rights, this right here is just a size bigger than this.
Okay. So, but because I was just noticing that someone might wonder why it has a hat size when we advertise that we build them to the exact head measurement. So, in other words, these are basic where we start with. This is basically on the sizes.
Yeah.
Okay, and then...
Yeah, because you'd have to have...
And then at a later stage, we size it to the exact. Is that correct?
That's correct. These
Okay.
are the block, and then behind you there is sizing block.
Gotcha. This is where we get all the sizing done.
Because these
How many blocks do you normally block off of? What is the range? How many do you have in that set of your R blocks? Is there 6, 8? I don't know how many you got.
9 of them.
9 of them. Okay. So
and
your
the M blocks, I got them.
Yeah, but just your basic blocking range, you've got 9 of them. Okay.
So you can, but then I go to the sizing, so I can.
Exactly. In the sizing, we've got.
These,
By the time we add our hoods,
these
we got
here, if you notice
several
how
hundred.
tall they are,
Yes.
so I can shim up. I can get my crown, what I want.
Adjust your crown height.
Oh yeah. Without, because a lot of them vary, which they don't bother me on the sizes. Okay, we're going. Anthony, you're gonna be proud. You get the first try on one of these.
Okay, this is another new color. This is a dark brown, and it's 100% beaver, and it's vintage body. And this is a new color that we have not shown before. Today is our day for new colors. Now again, this is another one that cannot have a large brim. It's a fairly small to medium brim, depending on your head size. And we're going to eventually be making a Silverado, Anthony's signature. This is Anthony Liguori Jr. He's done quite a few concerts for us through all this COVID time. And this is going to be one of his signature Silverado hats. Except it's going to be a little shorter brim than normal.
Way shorter.
But it's going to be such a nice hat.
Way short.
You're making it sound like it's no brim at all.
Okay. Look.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
It is dark brown, though. It is 100% beaver.
Okay, it is dark brown. I got it. All right, let's go along with that. But we're going to see, folks. Just what
that actually is a beautiful dark brown.
It is. But right now, we can get about a...
Maurice has joined us.
We could get about 2 1/4 brim out of it.
Okay. 2 1/4. Ooh, that is short. Okay, Anthony.
Alright, look. I will go get another brown.
Well, we could do it but to get dark brown, Anthony, this is what we got to go with. So you can let us know later if you don't want the dark brown, if you want it to be a wider brim. But this is, instead of a Silverado, this will be a Silverado short brim.
Okay, sorry folks, we're having a little lag here. But...
oh, Bugs has joined us too.
But this will not be a sharpshooter.
No, this is not a sharpshooter.
With a real.
Oh, Anthony's watching us. Anthony, we're having a fits here with this hat.
Here, Anthony.
This is a beautiful hat, but it is not your standard brim.
2.5. Time I trim it to get it even.
Be about 2 inches.
No, I get it.
2 1/4.
2 1/4. Yep, that's what's gonna be.
Okay, but it's such a beautiful. It is 100% beaver, chocolate. Well, I don't know. That's even darker than chocolate. That's a dark brown. Bugs says hello, and Mari says hey y'all.
All right. Yep. Real short. And this is just 22.5. We can later on show them what would happen if I put it over a 24 inch.
So if it was a very large head like mine, it would be.
I'm gonna make you one.
I want it. Yes, I want to see it.
I can see these gonna be. I can make blocking hoods out of it.
No, these are 100% beaver, darling. These are for dress hats. They're gonna be short brim dress hats. These are not blocking hood material. I know you like big brims, but this is too good of a material to do that with.
No, I have made them real short. But
yes, there's people that like them like that. So, if you're watching this video later, and you like a real short brim, yes, do finish it. Now, Anthony, we'll hunt around and see what else we can find. You tell us what you think. If you want it like this, or if you want us to hunt around and find something else with a bigger brim. Mari said he likes short brim hats.
Well, stay tuned because, it won't be probably, it might dry out tomorrow when we work on it.
So, yes, if you're watching this now or later and you happen to like short brim hats, tell us, because Grizz just really doesn't care much for short brim hats.
Well, but see, my derby's 2 7/8, which is pretty.
That's actually a pretty wide brim for a derby.
It is. It did have them. I know that.
Yeah, no, I'm not disagreeing with you. Anthony says he's leaving it up to us. I say go with it. That way you have something a little bit different, a little bit classy if you're out, and you're going to be in a tight space, like if you're traveling.
He just wants me to finish it and see what I can do with it.
You're going to be on an airline and don't have a lot of headroom.
Well, if you have to get in it, you have to.
I'm talking about sitting in the seat, you don't have a lot of headroom. Mari said everyone likes his Jarvis that he has. Good deal. See how much better that looks when you iron it out?
Yeah. Okay. I'm still trying to brag on it.
Anthony said if you think it's too small, use your judgment. We'll wait till we see it pencil curled.
No, I already started. We're gonna see what we're gonna do with it.
Yeah. I'm trying to decide what we would call a very short brim Silverado. Would it be a Silverado?
A fez?
Not that short.
Yeah. Yeah. A round fez. Okay. Well, we'll just see.
Or we might drop the silver off of it and just be like, instead of a Silverado, it would just be a Verado.
Whatever. I'm still playing.
I do like the color, though. It is a nice dark fall color. Beautiful for fall.
You know what I could do? Oh, I'm going to pull a little bit. If I might be able to get 2.5.
Yeah.
Smooth it up.
Oh, dear. Bugs is saying that he needs a bold styled hat.
Okay.
Go carry in that top hat and show him that top hat. He said he wants for a good change, he needs a bold styled hat. That bold, Bugs? What do you think about that, Bugs? That's nice and bold.
Tell Bugs.
Anthony said, why don't we call it the Bandit?
Okay.
I like that.
All right. Yeah.
I actually do. You know, Anthony, I was really wanting to watch Smokey and the Bandit last night, but I couldn't. Ended up watching Marco Polo, which was quite good. But
no, that wasn't a bad show. And now, my real scissors again. Oh, no. The wrong pair. Oh.
Oh, guys, he's been having fits over scissors today.
No, I had another pair.
Where did you put them? He really doesn't like it if he picks up a pair of scissors and it doesn't cut. Because if it doesn't cut, he's fixing to throw it over his shoulder. When he was out in out in the field, he used to literally just throw them over his shoulder. Oh, Concho's watching us too. Right. Hey, Concho. I'll send it to you through Messenger. He didn't get the...
Tell Concho I'm going to make him a Southwest.
Concho, what do you think? A short brim Southwest. It'd be actually called a new AMLO.
Really, actually, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I thought it Southwest with a short brim.
That's a new AMLO.
I know it, but I'm going to call it that.
Linda, Bug said Linda said you could call it a silver stub, but I think we'll go with the Bandit. I like the Bandit.
It's the Bandit now.
Bug said he needs one of those. Bugs, you could pull it off.
Right. Yeah, he could. But it'll have a 1-inch brim.
No. The orange hat.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I thought he was talking about one of these. Okay.
No, the orange hat.
Okay. Well, stay tuned on this one.
Yeah, okay. Dale said it would be great. Concho said it would be great in black. Bug said next time he comes to see us, he'll get you to make one of those orange top hats.
Oh, okay.
Now, Bugs, we're going to hold you up on that. Next year...
We literally going to hold him up.
Next year...
Oh, we're going to hold him up like a bandit.
Grizz said he's going to hold you up like a bandit for that hat. Next year is his 70th birthday, and if we can ever move past COVID, we want to have a big shindig next fall for his celebrating his birthday. We won't have it in August because it's too hot. Okay. Well, are you going to come back and tell everybody bye, or are you just gone?
Yeah, I'm just putting good.
Okay.
Bye.